Now, chemical reaction based on classification based on growth polymerization reaction. There are mainly two types: free radical polymerization reaction and step growth polymerization reaction. Now, first we study about the free radical polymerization reaction. As we indicates, the name indicates free radicals. So there is a formation of free radical by homolysis, and we know that bond undergo the homolysis, then it's generated free radical. That is generate free radicals. Normally, the compounds which consist of the pi bond, like alkene group of compounds, can undergo the free radical polymerization reaction, formation of polyethene from ethene, polyvinyl chloride from vinyl chloride, polyacrylonitrile from acrylonitrile. Most of them possess free radical as a mechanism. Here, variety of alkenes and dienes and their derivatives are polymerized in the presence of free radical generating initiator. They are called as catalysts, and normally they are peroxides: benzoyl peroxide, acetyl peroxide, tertiary butyl peroxide, etc. These catalysts, peroxide catalysts, they are responsible for the formation of free radicals. Once the free radical is formed, then this free radical, that there are mainly divided into three steps: initiation, propagation, and termination. In the first step, initiation, benzoyl peroxide C6H5, C11O, C11O, C6H5, benzoyl peroxide on homolysis get breakdown into benzoyl free radical. Benzoyl free radical. This benzoyl free radical on heating loses the carbon dioxide molecules and generate the phenyl free radical. This free radical on oxygen gets shifted on the carbon atom and form phenyl free radical. Whatever the phenyl free radical form is react with the monomer units. Here in this example we are taking the ethene. So here it's react with ethene molecules. So if free radical is shifted on a carbon 1, then phenyl group is shifted on a carbon 2. So C6H5CH, this pi bond get breakdown CH2 free radical. That is called as ethene free radical. Such kind of ethene free radical is obtained during the reaction. Now phenyl ethene free radicals react with next molecule of ethene. Again this free radical shifted to the next carbon, and this entire group shifted on a carbon 2. So likewise this chain length get be increases. That's why it is called as chain propagating step. That's why it is called as chain propagating step. Chain length is get increases by this. Now such type of unit CH2 units are repeated n times. C6H5 CH2 n times, whatever the desired numbers of monomer units are there, n number of there, undergo the propagating steps and result into the n number of propagating molecules. At termination steps, terminance means end. The monomers, the chain propagating steps get ended when monomer units are combined together. Which monomer units means the propagating units which is obtained in the second step. Two free radical containing units are come against each others. Then they share one free radical with each others and terminate the reaction. This is just like this. क्लोरीन फ्री रेडिकल की रिएक्शन क्लोरीन फ्री रेडिकल के साथ होगा तो दोनों एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करेंगे तो Cl बॉन्ड हो जाएगा. लाइकवाइज मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल की रिएक्शन दूसरे मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल के साथ होगी तो दो फ्री रेडिकल एक दूसरे के आमने सामने आएंगे तो बॉन्ड बना देंगे, कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. Likewise, here also is result into the formation of covalent bond between these CH2 molecules, and this result into the termination of the reaction, and n number of monomers are generated. Free radical is one of the most important mechanism in the generation of polymers from the monomer units, especially those monomer which consist of the pi bonds. There are various examples by which we can produce the various polymer which can be produced by free radical mechanism are low density polyethylene LDP. LDP is normally generated. Polyethylene are two types, low density polyethylene and high density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene is obtained by polymerization at 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure. 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure. at temperature of 350 to 370 Kelvin, 570 Kelvin, in the presence of peroxide as a catalyst. In the presence of peroxide as a catalyst. सच हाई प्रेशर, आप जितना प्रेशर ज़्यादा अप्लाई करोगे उतना उसका मास जो है इट इज़ गोइंग टू ऑक्यूपाइड इन अ स्मॉलेस्ट वॉल्यूम, एंड टेम्परेचर जो है कम है बट यहाँ पे प्रेशर ज़्यादा है, 1000 to 2000 प्रेशर, 350 to 570 Kelvin temperature in the presence of peroxide as a catalyst, it result into the formation of low density